Hello everyone. Now profitability ratio or income ratio. Gross profit ratio. Formula: gross profit upon revenue from operation into 100. Gross profit revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. Higher the ratio, better for the firm. Exercise: calculate gross profit ratio. Opening inventory 50,000, purchases 1,50,000, return outward 20,000, wages 10,000, revenue from operation 2,50,000, closing inventory 40,000. Here is the solution for gross profit. Gross profit ratio: gross profit upon revenue from operation into 100. Gross profit revenue from operation minus cost of revenue operation. Cost of revenue from operation: opening inventory plus purchases minus return outward plus wages minus closing inventory. 50,000 plus 1,50,000 minus 20,000 plus 10,000 minus 40,000, that is your 1,50,000. Gross profit or working capital turnover ratio: 1 lakh upon 2,50,000 into 100, that is your 40%. Net profit ratio. Formula: net profit after tax upon revenue from operation into 100. Net profit: gross profit minus indirect expenses and losses plus other income minus tax. Indirect expenses and losses: office expenses plus selling expenses plus interest on long-term borrowings plus accidental loss. Calculation for net profit ratio: revenue from operation 2 lakh, gross profit 75,000, offices expenses 15,000, selling expenses 26,000, interest on debenture 5,000, accidental loss 12,000, income from rent 2,500, commission received, that is your 2,000. Here is the solution. Net profit revenue from operation into 100. Net profit: gross profit plus gross profit minus indirect expenses and losses plus other income. Indirect expenses and losses: offices expenses plus selling expenses plus interest on debentures plus accidental loss. 15,000 plus 26,000 plus 5,000 plus 12,000, that is your 58,000. Other income: income from rent plus commission received. So 75,000 minus 58,000 plus 4,500, that is your 21,500. Revenue from operation 2 lakh. Working capital turnover ratio: 21,500 into 100 upon 2 lakh, that is your 10.75%. Operating ratio. Formula: cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses minus operating incomes into 100. Revenue from operation: operating expenses, employee benefit expenses plus depreciation and amortization expenses plus other expenses, offices and administration expenses plus bad debt plus interest on short term loans plus selling and distribution expenses plus discount. Operating income: trade commission received, cash received. Lower the ratio, it's better for the firm. Calculate operating ratio from the following information. Net revenue from operation 8 lakh, cash revenue from operation 2 lakh, gross profit ratio 20%, office and selling expenses 60,000, depreciation 20,000, loss on sale of plant, that is 10,000. Solution: operating ratio: cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses upon net revenue from operation into 100. Cost of revenue from operation: net revenue from operation minus gross profit, that is your 8 lakh minus 20% of 8 lakh. So here 8 lakh minus 1,60,000, that is your 6,40,000. Operating expenses: office and selling expenses plus depreciation. Gross profit 60,000 plus 20,000, that is your 80,000. Operating ratio: 6,40,000 plus 80,000 upon 8 lakh into 100, that is your 90%. Net revenue from operation means credit revenue from operation plus cash revenue from operation minus revenue from operation return. Here operating profit ratio. Formula: operating profit slash upon revenue from operation into 100. Here is the question based on operating profit ratio. Revenue from operation sales, that is your 8 lakh, gross profit 25% on cost, office and administrative expenses 20,000, selling expenses 28,000, loss on fire 10,000. Solution: Operating profit ratio, operating profit revenue from operation sales into 100. If cost of revenue from operation is rupees 100, gross profit is 25 and revenue from operation sale will be 100 plus 25, that is your 125 rupees. When revenue from operation is 125, so that gross profit is your 25. When revenue from operation is 8 lakh, so gross profit 8 lakh into 25 upon 125, that is your 1,60,000. Operating expenses, office and administrative expenses plus selling expenses, that is your 20,000 plus 28,000, that is your 48,000. Operating profit, gross profit minus operating expenses, that is 1,60,000 minus 4,48,000 minus 1,12,000. Operating profit ratio 1,12,000 upon 8 lakh into 100, that is your 14%. Return on investment. This ratio reflects the overall profitability of the firm, also known as rate of return or rate of capital employed or yield on capital formula. Here is the formula: net profit before interest, tax and dividends upon capital employed into 100. Liability side approach, capital employed, long term borrowings plus long term provision. Asset side approach, capital employed, non current asset plus working capital. Calculate return on investment or return on capital employed from the following information: share capital 50,000, reserve and surplus 25,000, net fixed asset 2,25,000, non current trade investment 25,000, current asset 1,10,000, 12% long term borrowing 2 lakh, current liabilities 85,000, net profit before tax 60,000. Here is the solution: return on investment or return on capital employed, net profit before interest and tax upon capital employed into 100. Net profit before tax 60,000, add interest 12% on 2 lakh, that is your 24,000, net profit before interest and tax, that is your 84,000. So capital employed, share capital plus reserve and surplus plus 12%, long term borrowings, that is your 50,000 plus 25,000 plus 2 lakh, that is your 2,75,000. Return on investment or return on capital employed 84,000 upon 2,75,000 into 100, that is your 30.55%. Now calculate return on investment or return on capital employed from the following information: net profit after interest and tax, that is your 1 lakh, fixed asset 6 lakh, current asset 4 lakh, 10% long term debt 4 lakh, current liabilities 2 lakh, tax rate 20%. Here is the solution: return on investment or return on capital employed, net profit before interest and tax upon capital employed into 100. Calculation of net profit before interest and tax: net profit after tax 1 lakh, net profit before tax 1 lakh into 100 upon 80, that is your 1,25,000. Net profit before interest and tax 1,25,000 plus interest, that is your rupees 40,000. So the answer will be 1,65,000. Capital employed, fixed asset plus current asset minus current liability, 6 lakh plus 4 lakh minus 2 lakh, that is your 8 lakh. Return on investment or return on capital employed 1,65,000 upon 8 lakh into 100, that is your 20.625%. Thank you.